Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to disconnect an Audi A5 battery. Before starting, always prioritize your safety by wearing protective gloves and eye protection. Make sure your Audi A5 is parked on a level surface, and the parking brake is firmly engaged to prevent any movement. You will need a 10mm wrench for the battery terminals and potentially a 13mm socket for the battery hold-down clamp. Having these tools ready will make the process smooth and efficient. The battery in an Audi A5 is commonly found in the trunk, not under the hood. To access it, open your trunk and lift the carpet lining. You will then need to remove the spare tire and any tool trays that are covering the battery compartment. Once these items are out of the way, the battery will be clearly visible. Take a moment to observe its orientation and the position of the positive and negative terminals. This will be helpful when you reconnect it later. Now for the disconnection. It is crucial to always disconnect the negative terminal first. This prevents accidental electrical shorts that could damage your vehicle's electronics or cause injury. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal clamp. Once loose, carefully remove the cable and ensure it cannot accidentally touch any metal parts of the car. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal, loosening and removing that cable as well. When reconnecting the battery, the order is reversed. Always attach the positive terminal first, ensuring it is securely tightened. Then, connect the negative terminal and tighten its clamp firmly. After reconnection, allow approximately 20 minutes for your Audi's electronic systems to fully reset. You might find that you need to reinitialize certain features, such as the one-touch window functions or your radio presets, which is a normal occurrence after a battery disconnection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.